Hello. In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on SONY Xperia 1 Mark 6. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and then go to manage your Google account. And now click on data and privacy and scroll all the way down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes and click delete account. And now your account should be removed, so now let's recover it by opening, for example, Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in into your Google account. And now you have to enter your email address and click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Now click I agree. Now click accept. And as you can see, now my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.